What's up, guys? Chris Jordan here, and welcome back to the channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over some technical analysis and how you can start using this simple strategy of support resistance to start trading if you're a beginner, brand new, or even if you're years in. Support resistance. This is one of the best strategies for if you're just starting out in Forex trading. So, I marked up this as a resistance area, obviously, because it rejected from this area. Think of resistance as a ceiling that price can't go over. As you can see, it went up all the way up here, and then it came down, and then it dropped. Same thing here in the past. It came up here, dropped. Well, actually, it didn't drop. It kept coming. Then it finally dropped. Came back up here, dropped again. And then I marked up this as a support area where it got down here before and shot up quick. Got back up here, shot up quick. And the support area is basically like the ground. If you're dribbling a basketball, which is funny because I train basketball on the side. If you're dribbling a basketball, think of it as the ground, right? And then obviously it came back up, came back down, came here, dropped down from the resistance area. So it obviously broke through here earlier at like 8 a.m., 7:30 or whatever, 7 a.m. I mark up my charts on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, and then I use like the 15 minutes sometimes for entries or whatever. So I was going to take this trade right here, and I'm going to explain why I didn't take this trade, and then I'm going to the trade I actually took. So I was going to take this trade right here, and I was trying to figure out, is it going to bounce from the support area? And you know what I did? The only thing I did here is I literally didn't see any support area. So I was like, okay, well, I'm not going to take it unless it's bounced from this area before. So all I did was scroll back. And would you look at that? If I scroll back here, there's rejection wicks at this support area. So I could have taken this trade, but I decided not to because simply it's too far back. I don't like taking trades like that. I'm not used to that. Maybe this is more so for swing traders maybe, but I'm not used to that. So I browsed the charts and I went to another trade. Now I could have made money on this trade clearly because obviously it's going up now, but I ended up taking GU instead. Now as you can see, GU is shooting up, right? And the reason I took GU is because I didn't have to scroll back to July 23rd to see when price was bouncing from a support area, right? All I had to do was look at the chart, scroll back a little bit. It bounced from a support area here with these rejection wicks, so I knew most likely it was going to go up. Now, before I say anything or do anything or say anything, support resistance is not 100%. It's not 100% strategy. All technical analysis is it's a way for controlling your risk. And obviously charts and candles, all they do is go up and down, as you see, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Even when I marked up this resistance area, and in fact, if it goes up to this sometime in a later day, I'll put an alert here, actually. Because I'm probably going to look for the break. If it breaks out of it, okay, I'm going to upgrade soon. It doesn't matter anyway. I'm going to probably look for the break if it goes up out of this and breaks out. Or if it rejects again, I'll get in for a sale. And as you see right here, it's sort of rejecting from this little area. Well, not rejecting much, but a little bit. But support resistance is not 100% strategy where you win 100% of your trades. So far, since I've been trading on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, my percentages have went up because I used to trade on the 15-minute. But the 15-minute just didn't work for me. I know many people, I've taken courses where the 15-minute is like they make tons of money on the 15-minute. For me, it just hasn't worked for me. And I feel like support and resistance areas respect the higher time frames more. And I would often find that in the 15-minute and 5 minutes, it wouldn't respect it as much, and it would usually break through, and I end up losing. So realize support resistance is not 100% strategy, and you are going to take some losses. But the best thing about it is if you control your risk, and you make a little bit more on your winners than your losers, you're going to be profitable trading. That's just the reality of how trading goes. Most of the time people fail because they can't control their risk and they get too greedy and they end up dying. And I'm saying this because their accounts end up dying. But I'm saying this because I've been there before. I've done it. I've blown like 7, 8 accounts before. I've been there and done it. And by far, when I started being able to control my risk when I decided that maybe the 15-minute isn't for me. Like, for example, if I go to 15-minute right now, I would have to scroll all the way back here just to see that it bounced here. Right? And like I said, I take entries on the 15-minute, but I'm really just watching on the hour and I'm letting the trade play out. But like I said, I've blown accounts before. I've been there before. You can be successful trading, and literally the only thing you need to do is stick with one strategy. Even if you win at 50%, as long as your winners are bigger than your losers and you control risk, you can be a profitable trader. You can be a full-time trader. I'm not a full-time trader yet because I do a lot of stuff. I do a lot of like basketball training on the side because that's my little passion hobby. And I do some other things. But now that I've started to take trading more serious and I'm getting more serious about it and I've helped a few people get better at trading, and I'm loving the fact that for me teaching other people and helping people get better at trading is actually making me a better trader. It's actually helped. It's making me want to get more serious about trading. And if you see my intro video on my YouTube channel, you'll know that I want to be full-time trading, be able to do this from anywhere in the world and not have to do any other businesses where I have to give up my damn time, because my time is most important. But anyways, that's all you need. If you want to be able to trade and make money and make $20 an hour with Forex trading or day trading, the best strategy that you can start with for beginners is support resistance, support resistance, support resistance. That's all you need to be successful. Even if you, like I said, even if you have a 50% win rate, as long as your winners are bigger than your losers, you're gonna make moolah, baby. But that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like the video or share it with your friends. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't and you want to be a hater, be a hater. But just know that you're a hater at heart. But that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.